Hey guys, this is Nick Thomas BMX, and today I'm going to be doing a bike check. Well, the frame is a 2008 Mongoose Menace, I think. And then, I'll start from the top. I've got stock bars with Savage grips. They're K grips, a bit small. That's why I've ordered some ODI long necks, but I love my flanges, that's why I'm on, you've got to have flanges. And then my stem, I've got a GT stem with a huge bolt, which I'm going to get rid of. And then I've got Team Diamondback 08 forks with a Aaron Ross Odyssey tile, which is Aaron Ross, and it's got the keyboard design on it, if you can see that. Probably can't, but it has a keyboard design on it. Then I've got a stock Mongoose 48 spoke front hub, 48 spoke front wheel with a little nice dust cap there, which I used to have a sun rim, but it got broke doing a bar spin. And then I've got a GT sprocket, if you can see that there, with some E-clap pedals and Team Diamondback 08 cranks with just a Halfage chain, what I got. Then back wheel is a GT chrome wheel, which is pretty good. I've got a Kenda back tyre, if you can see there, which I've got ordered a replacement for, as it's quite worn from foot jamming. And then under here I've got a blank U-brake, which I don't know why I still have it on, but I just like the redness. I'll see if I can get that in. See it? Logo blank. And then I have a stock seat clamp. Then I've got a GT seat with a GT seat post. And that's my bike. Oh yeah, I've got a GT back cover as well. And that's my bike check. Thanks for watching, guys. Rate, comment, subscribe. I'll be doing a new bike check soon, as I'm getting a GT and I'll be putting some new parts on. Alright, thanks guys, thanks for watching. Alright, see ya.